Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn on how to log in to your Gndu Employee account. So let's get started. First, open any browser of your choice. Then in the search bar, type in Gndu Employee Login. Then hit enter. Then tap on the website having URL as gndu.ac.in. In my case, it's the first one. And here you can see two forms, one for your employee login and another for your admin login. Currently, we are trying to log into our employee account. So provide your login credentials in employee login form. Type your employee code in the text field given for your employee code. Then type your password in the text field given for your password. If you have forgotten your password, you can reset it by tapping on this text, recover password. And if you want to change your password, you can also do that by tapping on this text, change password. Now to log into your account, simply tap on this button, employee sign in. And guys, you will be logged into your account successfully if you got your credentials correct. And guys, that was it. I hope you found this video helpful. Give this video a thumbs up if you did and subscribe to our channel TechUp for more contents like this. Feel free to drop any of your queries or questions in the comment section below. I'll get right back to you. Thanks for watching and see you in next video.